What is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today will be my kind of go-to ponytail, and this is a ponytail by Made Beauty. I will link it in the description if I can find a link, but I'm sure you can find it at your local beauty supply. So this is the start. I am just going over my ends. Now, for any sleek ponytail, your hair should be straightened, but mine is like semi-straightened because I slept on it. So I'm just going around kind of the main perimeter of my head and including the back and just running my flat iron through it just so it lays really flat once we slick it up into the ponytail. So you guys, I am taking a headband and a miniature scrunchie and some bobby pins, and then I will be using my First Touchdown edge tamer and some eco gel. Now you can use what you like. Also, I'm taking my Gookie hairbrushes, my edge brush and hairbrush, and this is a ponytail. That is what it looks like right now. So I am getting my ponytail, you know, where I want. And I do want to note that you want to make sure your ponytail is not too high up because this is a very voluminous, thick ponytail. And if you have it too high up, it'll look very, I don't know, too like Ariana Grande-ish. Not in a good way either. I mean, I personally don't like it, so I did take it down a little bit from when I first wore it to the WGCI Big Jam. So find where you want your ponytail to go and then go ahead and put that headband on there. Then I will be just making a smallest possible little bun at the top, and that is just to, you know, attach the ponytail to because it is drawstring. So I'm going in with my Touchdown Edge Tamer, and I'm putting that around my hairline, and then I will start my baby hairs. And I don't really have a way I do my baby hairs, I just do them. And sometimes I use my edge brush and sometimes I use my big brush. It just makes it easier. But yeah, I'm not going to talk. I'm going to do my baby hairs and I'll hop back on with the next step. So here is the ponytail, and it looks like that because I probably drew it off when I wore it last time, but it does have two combs, and then it has the drawstring and the little pull thing. So I am just brushing sis out because she looks like she just got in a fight, and that's not true. I just slapped her off when I took her off one night, probably in bed, and didn't take my hair down before laying down. So what you're going to do is take that first and second comb and you're going to stick it at the top of the ponytail and then stick the second one at the back. And you will take the drawstring and the little pulley, which I will show in a minute, and you're basically going to tighten the ponytail. So when you pull it, the strings and the thing that comes on it, then it will get really tight. Don't do too tight because you will get a headache, because I have. But that is how to do a drawstring ponytail. And I know a lot of OG watchers are probably like, girl, I know how to do a drawstring ponytail, but I never knew. So I'm just telling someone who doesn't know, because I honestly never in life knew. I guess I've known about drawstring ponytails, but I've never actually used them. So this is a first time experience. But as you guys can see, the ponytail is very full, and it is a nice yaki texture, so it looks really natural. Okay, so this is going really fast. Now I'm taking the drawstring so they don't hang and no one sees that, and I'm wrapping it around the ponytail, and then I will be pinning that, and then I will be taking 2 different sections and I will be wrapping that around the ponytail. And I did that specifically so the ponytail is not so thick, so you guys will see, and I will be back on in a minute. So I just want to say, you do not have to bobby pin this. You can actually use Got To Be spray and blow dry it so it is nice and hard if you plan on wearing it for a couple of days. I do recommend you can do that if you'd like. Just make sure you braid the ponytail in a loose braid overnight and then just, you know, brush it out and run your flat iron over it in the morning. But I'm just brushing sis out, and I'm going to be going in with super low heat. Do not use really high heat because this is a synthetic ponytail at the end of the day. And I'm just going to be going in and flat ironing it to make it a little sleeker because it is a nice yucky texture. So I love that, and I also hate it, but I think this is the perfect kind of ponytail because it isn't too fine of synthetic hairs that'll like tangle. So I really like that a lot, and that is the final look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you all in the next video.